I welcome you to our program, Integrative Theology, the first course, which is entitled Introduction to Integrated Theology. This is our lecture 2, the supplemental lecture 2. I am your host, Bishop Dr. Derek A. Reeves. Let's dive right in. Today, we're going to talk about what is objective. What is the meaning of objective? When we talk about an objective, the objective deals with something of the person's judgment. And this judgment is not influenced by personal feelings or opinions in considering a representing of the facts. And so when we talk about objectives then are simply what we would call a thing that is aimed for or sought after. And so an objective is a goal. What is the objective for integrated theology? The goal of integrated theology then is to produce topical information that is systematic, information that broadens the perspective of the mind concerning knowing, studying God and the knowledge of God. And so the objective or the goal of integrated theology is to develop a system. The purpose is to bring the system together for the concept of us getting to understand God more fully, learning knowledge that comes from God, therefore changing in our behavior and our approach and our adherence to God, being attracted to God for the purpose of relating to Him for the rest of our lives. And so again, objective is the goal. What is the immediate goal of integrated theology? The immediate goal is to produce an integrated system and have this integrated system that is so comprehensive, and that this system, being comprehensive, will expose the student of integrated theology to knowledge that causes them to look outside of their specific box, causes them to look outside of the purview in which they have been submerged, and to reach, to gain, to see, and to be familiarized with other content, not just the content that they are used to studying, knowing because of their limited exposure, but the objective is to now put together a system that gives the mind a greater level of exposure, and in that greater level of exposure, to be able to adhere, to accept, and to bring forth this knowledge into them for the purpose of expanding the mind. This is all the time we have for today. I thank you for joining us. This has been Integrated Theology, Lecture 2, and the second supplemental lecture. I am your host, Bishop Dr. Derek A. Reeves. Until next time, God bless you and smile upon you.